Alright, this is Kyle Davis for Game Design Workshop 2, Week 5 on the progress of our project. I have taken the whole project and have reconstructed it, stitching everything back together in a functional build so that we actually have something we can play through. And it actually builds through, and it doesn't link to the correct area right now, but I can actually get into the engine and have a working build and actually have it function. So far, that's where we're at with this. Uh, it took quite a while. I got this done. I got the new structure for our Gitkraken along with all of our metadata and all the stuff that we needed. It comes out to a lot more files than was intended. There's about like 2,500 some files that had to be reconverted that we originally didn't have in our first build. So going through that, I had to set up a whole new redirectory that used everything and referenced all of our metadata, which meant having something that went through all of our content. So I had to set up our game file within a folder and be able to have it read in Engine. So that's what I've been working on and getting to work. I had to do a lot of refactoring because half my stuff broke. The AI rebroke again, as is happening with our other build for our other members. So I had to take a new reference and just do the whole thing over again, restitching a lot of the stuff and recompiling it. I was able to fortunately re-reference some of the stuff from one of the scripts from my project on my initial build, so I was able to transfer that over, so it made it quicker, but there was still about like 30 minutes of futzing around with that. Also, save completely broke. Um, but I was able to salvage what I could. Our level didn't get everything in, but we managed to get our test level in, so that's what we're working with here. Other than that, this is what I have so far. It took far longer than I wanted to, but I now have to a point where it can actually build and it doesn't take 3 hours to test, and be able to export it out somewhere to be able to show functionality. So that's where we're at. Signing off.